So guys, we are going to cook chapati today, and first I light my fire, and then I put a sufuria of water. We normally use lukewarm water to prepare the dough. So this is African village way of cooking chapati, so stay here, don't go anywhere. So guys, as I was saying that today I will be preparing chapati in an African way. I have my ingredients here. We have basin, we have water which is warm, then we have the flour, and then we have like salt, and we have the, I'm cooking from outside, sorry, we have like, this is sugar, and we have cooking oil here. So I'll start by adding flour here, so that I can put water, flour, and the other ingredients. I mix up all, and then we start cooking our thing. You have also to make sure that your hands are so clean. We are cooking chapati for like 15 people. This is sugar. You have to measure in African way using your eyes. Your eyes. That's enough. Then you add a salt. Inatosha, si ndio? So you mix. Then we add like water. You add more water. Remember, we are cooking chapati for more than 15 people. to knead it. You knead it until it becomes soft. As I said, you have to knead it until it becomes more soft. And use like you can still add the green vegetables inside, but today because I don't have time, I have to do this way, the normal way actually. So after that you add your oil. Oh. And remember, when cooking in village, you have to tie yourself with this kind of lasso. You have to add more oil on this side. I already turned it. Guys, look at this. Yeah, look at how our basin is clean. Very clean. That's how you know you have prepared it the correct way. Then after that you have to cover it for like 5 to 10 minutes. And I will cover it African way. This is what we normally use. We will cover it using this kind of pepper, the pepper which had flour. So I had to do this. I have to do this. So we are going to remove this. Very soft. Very soft. Now we are going to clear this table. We have a rolling stick over here. This is the rolling stick. Then we have our tap. We are going to transfer it onto this table. Our table is clean. I had already washed it. and you do like this. This is what we are going to do. We are going to cut it into small balls like this. Then we do it like this. This is to make it have those chapati layers. Final result. Ooh. This is your